So here we're travelling past Asda on our right. At the end of this road we're going to come to a major set of traffic lights, and you will see there are 3 lanes. So the lane in the left is just for going left only. Then we have a middle lane for going right and a right lane for going right. So normally you would say 2 lanes going the same direction, you would stay in the left of the 2, which would be the middle, which will put you in the left lane on the new road. But on this road, sometimes the next roundabout is for going straight in the right lane, and you can get quite a lot of traffic in this left lane. So sometimes it's advisable to be in the right hand lane of those traffic lights, so it saves lane swapping. Sometimes you're advised by the examiner. So this next roundabout, extremely busy, and it has a set of traffic lights and zebra crossings on it. So the zebra crossings as before, and there is pedestrian crossings, traffic light pedestrian crossings the other side. So you need to be making very good observation, very wide here, looking for people that are crossing it. These zebra crossings have an island in the middle, so if they were walking to the right, or like this guy here, he's in the middle, because we saw him, we would wait. If they're walking the other way, once they reach the island and your side is clear and the road's clear, then you can go. So on this one, once you're on the roundabout, that lorry should go left, so we can make our way back into the left part of the roundabout, mirror signal left, and as you can see, look at the lights in front, they've just changed, so that should be okay. Now the next roundabout, the Tesco's roundabout, again is one of those roundabouts again where the left hand lane is just for going left and the right hand lane is for going straight and right. So once you're on the roundabout, as long as you check your mirrors, you can get straight back into your left. And then the next roundabout here, of which we're going straight ahead. If you take a look at the road markings, the same thing. So that area particularly busy, and many people have messed up because they've got into the wrong lane. If you do get into the wrong lane, say for example just the left lane, go left. Much better to go left rather than force yourself over.